Welcome to Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about Subquery. Here I am using free trial Snowflake account and this is my Snow site web UI. One request viewer, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and like this video. It is really helpful to grow the channel. So let's get started with Subquery. Subquery, also known as inner query or nested query, is a query nested within another SQL query. Subquery used in select statement, from clause, where clause and having clause. There is two type of subquery: single row subquery which return single output or single row, and multi-row subquery which return multiple row output. If single row output return, then we can use these operator: equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, does not equal to or not equal to, and this is same as not equal to. This operator is, last two operator is not equal to. Here I am taking lots of example to understand the subquery. So first also understand with documentation. I am prepare subquery and multi-row subquery documentation to understand the subquery. I will attach this as a PDF in description box. You can download from there, and also I put all these example in description box. You can copy from there and practice. So first understand subquery. Here subquery or inner query execute before the main query or outer query. Suppose this is the main query and this is the subquery. So first execute this one, and output of this query used in main query. If a single row subquery, then return single row output, and this is the operator we already discussed which used in single row subquery. If a multi-row subquery, then this operator in all or any operator used in multi-row subquery. Here subquery execute first and result of this query used in main query. So let's get started with example. Here I am creating employee table to demonstrate the subquery. In this employee table, employee ID, first name, last name, salary, department ID and job ID column have. Let's insert some records into employee table. 10 records inserted into employee table. Now who has the salary greater than John salary? So if I execute this statement, here is the John salary 56,000. So here I am selecting employee ID, first name, last name, salary from the employee table, and we apply where condition, and here we put subquery. So in this example, first execute this subquery, and result of this query means 56,000. Here greater than 56,000, return the employee detail who has greater than John salary. So if I execute this statement, you can see the result. Here is the all salary greater than 56,000, means the employee who earn more than John salary. This select statement give error because this return multiple row in the subquery. So if I execute this statement, you can see multiple row. So if I execute all statement, then it's written this error give single row subquery return more than one row. So we cannot use if the subquery return multiple output with single row operator, as you see in this example, multiple row output. So we cannot use greater than, less than, does not equal to, like this. Now understand, I have a requirement. I want to find the employee who has the highest salary. So if you want to calculate highest salary, then we can use subquery with highest salary. This is the highest salary. I want to find the employee detail who earn maximum salary. So we put this subquery in where clause with salary equal to highest salary. So we can find the employee detail who earn highest salary. We can use subquery in having clause. Here I am selecting department ID and count of employee ID from the employee table, group by department ID, and having count of employee ID, and we use here select count of employee with department 103. So if I execute this statement, you can see the result. If you execute this statement, with department 103. Here is the 2. So we apply condition with count greater than 2. So it's return only greater than 2 results. You can see here. If the subquery return no row, then select statement return no row also. Here is the select salary from the employee with last name XYZ. Actually, this statement return no output. So all the subquery with outer subquery return no output. You can see here the result. Here, let's see another example. I want to find the employee who earn more than average salary. So we can use this way. Here I am selecting employee ID, first name, last name, salary from the employee, and we apply salary greater than average salary of the employee, all employees. So if I execute this statement, you can see here we find the employee who earn average salary of all employee. Okay. Now let's move to another example. I want to retrieve the employee detail with minimum salary as in see in maximum salary. Here is the simple minimum salary. So if I execute this statement, you can see the employee detail with minimum salary. Now let's move to another example. Requirement is find the employee with highest salary in each department. So we use simply join with subquery. So here I am selecting first name, last name, salary, department ID from the employee, give alias name E1 where salary equal to. Here we using subquery with join. Here select maximum salary with from the employee, give same table and give here alias E2 where E1 dot department ID equal to E dot department ID. So if I execute this statement, you can able to find the highest salary of each department. Okay, by using this subquery. This question also asks in interview, so understand this query better. We can use subquery in update statement. Here we use subquery in update statement with employee ID. Here I am updating salary with average salary in department 101. So if I execute this statement, here for employee updated with average salary. We can use subquery in delete statement also. Here I am deleting minimum salary of employee. We can use subquery in case clause also. Here I am finding the bonus of for employee based on their salary. Here I am selecting employee ID, first name, last name, salary, and we apply case statement. When salary is greater than the average salary of employee, then the salary increase by 0, then bonus is 0.10 means 10%. Else if salary is less than, then bonus is salary multiplied by 0.05 means 5% bonus. So if I execute this statement, you can see the bonus of each employee as per condition. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.